YouTube. I have rolled up one from Red Cat Stadium. I mean, the new first thing that these two looks good. That's where I hate you. Horse the test out. I'm apprentice. I have an apprentice, and you stop right my legs like I am a warrior. Hey, you come back here, you cheater! You double crosser! You're not gonna escape this time. I'm gonna kill you! Goodbye, mouse fuck! And you'll let me kill you. If you don't stop paralyzing me, I'm going to get really mad. You are the worst. See. What did I say? Did I tell you? This game sucks.
Hey, you got a limit, bro.
That's
But today. Yo, I did not know how fly this shit looked until I looked at it. And then this motherfucker made me play on 2K. He made me play on fucking 2K. So they still got me mad.
one more thing. In this game, you end up having kids with school flutter. I got that far in the game. Then accidentally put a new safe over it. I'm so mad right now. I did that thing once again. I think that was crazy. Please just ignore the background. You hear nothing but my voice. Sorry. Watch Fix. Well, I watched those Efficients with Brandon Bubbler and they were obsessing me with them running away. But, anyways, who just uses that? I mean, if you can, I'm not gonna go. You're gonna be my worst soon. Get it? Mine! Because Brambleclaw becomes the leader, becomes the deputy, and the leader. Ursula dies in some part of this game. I forgot. There's a long time since I got that far. I miss Big See, to get that far, you need to. I know it's catching me rabbits because I want to know. Hey, I did it! Yeah! You can attempt at level 8 championship. You're not gonna make it. Unless you're really lucky and you know when to use your moves. And not to use your moves. I did it at level 7 before. I got the bag at level 7 before. It did not come out pretty. Because the badger was like really bad. See that but now I don't know why it shows your butt. Sorry. Now the keep on clock, get away from pull earth better. Okay, since storms are possible. Come on up here. Walking. Since your misses all really I don't know what it says. Yes, you'll make us all back. Good. I'm the 5-star leader of Underclan. Underclan. Call upon my warrior ancestors to look down on this princess. She is an I command her and warrior certified the promise to uphold the land to defend this clan, even at the cost of her life. I do. The my past certify you may known as Swordtail. Stark and honest your courage and patience, and welcome you as full warrior from Swordtail. Hold on. I'll be more encouraging. Swordtail! Did I miss it? Well, the rest of us get a good night's sleep. Hello. No, I don't. Yes. She's stupid. I hate 24. She was a traitor when she joined our clan. How do you not remember that? When she joined the clan, was officially made to be in the clan. In chapter 27, she actually was considered a traitor by the Warrior Code for giving away half of the clan's secrets. Because in chapter 49, when she gave away the clan's secrets, yeah, I never really read the books. I'm very sorry for even younger. I didn't even read the books. They're very stupid. Who calls a boy cat a tabby cat? Who really does that? I'm not sure who does that. Thank you. Oh, come on, just die already. Come on, get back to the camp. I can hear you. What's up? You're gonna hear a falling sound? You're gonna hear a falling sound, babe. I'm just gonna walk around to here. Walking. Oh, come on. Fun. 3, 2, 1, 0. See, told you. That's what you hear. I still love you. And then we brought that. We sent a paw save the kids from Hungry Badger. She actually dies and gets some blood for the first time, and then Leaf Paw becomes Leaf Paw, and that's how the Warrior Fleet goes. If you ask me, I'd say that I actually read the books. So oh, come on, stop with the release. I have nothing on you. I have nothing on me. I don't even know you that. Hey, I did it. Yay. Found the clothes. Level 10. Let's level up a bit more before we fight the badger. One second, and we're back. I'm now level 13. I've been training with... Oh, look, this is really funny. Because look, she uses all caps just to say she was in it. She wanted to be a warrior. Sleep grams. You would never go to sleep at this point. Oh yes, I really don't got. Oh no, there's Nick Roxas. I forgot. Let's go to adventuring. So hopefully I'll find it. And usually it would be great. We find Donka. Simply I call it the gold because it's practically almost a lot. So I'm going to the fields of gold. See, do I do? Let's go. Hey. She's in front of us, so she walks really fast. Oh, come on, slow pump. Slow brain. You're very slow. Martha is an elder. She's practically is an elder. The only reason that's so hot is because she's an apprentice. We can actually keep it from the other bed. Or I can just walk really fast. Oh, come on, shut up. I didn't want to fight you. Then you want to talk to her, the badger, and then you want to talk to Thornclaw. She seems like it could be a bad. Look out, the badger is attacking. It's easy for me to fight the badger. Level 12. Go to battle before level 8. Oopsie. I hope you did not hear that. I hope you did not hear that. This cannot be happening to me. I'm not dying. No, you will not make me die. Yeah, see, told you. No, can't. Me, a woman can't stand a chance against me. Sorry, I watch Beauty and the Beast too much. Beauty and the Beast is very weird for me. I'm just kidding, it's not that bad. I'm not crazy. I'm not. Okay, well, this was part 1. But yeah, we have to fight off the battle. The Great Journey will be part 2 eventually. So yeah. Well, bye. No bye. I'm going to keep going here. You won't stop me. Really? You have to meet her in the Alderstone. Everybody's gone right now. Look at you walking outside the house. Then you talk to this poor long tail. Robinson won't be done if we should do. What the just call my tongue that quiet as you think. I'm going and you hate me. And I hate you too. And that's not even a shortcut anymore. But sometimes it's really funny. I just so. Things like don't think that I need to use it, and we also chase it. Although it's very hard to do. I don't want to read this. Typo, I hate you. What are you doing? Typo is always sneaking into other territories. If you ask me, he is very weird. He has disturbed lots of others and sneaking. So also.